Hello, hello, Fluffy Goose. Oh, come on. Don't be all angry about life. It's Friday. You're supposed to be happy. It's Friday, man. Are you happy about Friday? Are you happy about Friday? I am pumped. Are you happy about Friday? You guys? Juarez, you're pumped. You do a lot of stuff on Fridays, don't you? Well, you do a lot of stuff every day, right? All these chickens. What, honey? What is it? Come here. Be nice to those chickens, Scarlet. They didn't do nothing to you bad. Did they? Juarez, look at you and all your chickens, huh? You're the man, buddy. Geese, you're being nice today. Love it. Juarez, be nice to... Uh-oh. Sneak attack. It's a coming. Crazy guy. Juarez, leave her alone. Juarez, leave Scarlet alone. Gosh, why are you so mean to her lately? Come here, babes. Come here. It's all right. Jeez. Hey, boys. Yes. Yes, I know. You're real tall, real big. Big guy. There's some geese over there being just very angry about life. You know what I'm saying, Scarlet? Hey, Jimmy, you got that white face going on today. I don't like that. Jimmy got that white face. You just seem to be angry. Randall's always kind of calm and red face. Wow, look at you wanting to fluff down, huh? All right, I'll be out later, I'm sure, guys. Jimmy, don't, Jimmy, stop. Just be good, cool, be cool, man. Gosh. Man. All right, Juarez, Easter, Speck, and Kelly, and Rasheen. What do you got there? Is that China? China. Have a good day, guys. Be good. Let me go say goodbye to the geese here. All right, geese, you be cool today. Be cool. Be cool.